Hey, thanks for being on this video. You're here to learn more about Affiliate Mentor Affiliate Program. Perfect, because today I'm breaking it all down, how you can make money online with Affiliate Mentor, how to build a team the right way, and the super secret bonuses that explode your traffic, leads, and signups. Stay to the end. You won't want to miss what I've got for you. Now, whether you're struggling to build a team, looking to make money online from home, or searching for a legit way to quit your 9-to-5 in 2025, this is the video you need. Affiliate market is changing fast, and I'm here to shortcut your path to success so you can start earning today. Now I'm going to explain how Affiliate Mentor works, Affiliate Mentor Spark, Core, VIP, and Core Annual, and how our team beats all others with exclusive YouTube training, bonuses, and duplication system, and how to text me. So let's get into it, right? Now, before we jump into Affiliate Mentor, let me introduce myself. My name is John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man, aka JJ Solly, and I've been in the make money online space for over 12 years. After trying everything, different programs, teams, strategies, different manners, jumping from program to program, I finally found the mentor I've always been looking for, and I'm telling you, this program and this guy who trains us is a game changer, okay? Now, something personal, I wasn't even going to share this publicly, but 6 months ago, my wife was hit by a car. It shook our world, and in moments like that, you start questioning everything. Financial security, your freedom, whether you're spending life the way you really want to, time freedom, etc. That's why today's video is so important, because making money online isn't just about cash. It's about freedom, choice, and security. So if you've ever felt stuck in a 9-to-5 or worried about financial independence, I'm talking directly to you. So you can see she had several injuries, C2, C6, and C7, a broken femur in her right leg, a broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma with a blood clot in her brain that doctors are still closely monitoring. Okay. She still faces a long road to recovery with more procedures, therapy, and extensive care ahead. This is written in my son's point of view. She's strong and determined, but this journey is going to take a lot of time, resources, and faith. And nearly 6 months later, actually, let me see, June, December, January, February, March, April. It's been over 6 months. So, this is obviously, we've only raised $445 with GoFundMe. She got donations from her job too as well. And this isn't about donations. It's about the fact that anything can happen to any one of us. Like, I'm not, a car accident. We can get in a plane crash. Who knows what will happen? Tomorrow is never promised. You may have a heart attack. Who knows? Tomorrow is never promised. And really, even if everything goes great, who really wants to be working to 65, 70, 75 or later, trying to retire on what isn't enough now? If what you're making isn't enough now, how is 40% of it going to be enough, really? So, if you're watching the video, I appreciate you, and let's talk about Affiliate Mentor, okay? So as you can see, this is my completed board, and right here, it says, you've just cycled. John, congratulations, you've earned a $50 Spark Matrix Cycle Commission. You've also unlocked a new Spark training module, and another Matrix position will be processed shortly. Log into your back office for more details. Thank you, Affiliate Mentor. So, as you can see, this is the 6 filled spots. This is the brand new 6 spots, so I can make another $50 and help my team too. And how am I helping my team? Well, look at this right here. I got Cheryl Hanna and Bobby Nation were my first 2 people, right? Well, when you click on Cheryl Hanna's board, you see Steve and Don have been added to her team from sponsor John Solly. So what is happening is those 2 spots, right, go to Cheryl Hanna, and these 2 spots go to Bobby Nation. So if that's right, Kaya and Vincenzo will be there, right? So let's check. Bobby Nation, Kaya, and Vincenzo. So as you can see, spillover really is happening. And we have about 6 different ways to fill boards, okay? When you fill 6 positions, you make $50, and I'll make $25. In turn, when you fill your 6 people, again, we'll help you, you'll get the $50, but when one of your other people, like Kaya, let's say she was yours, right? She fills her 6, you get $25 because you get a 50% check match. Okay, sound pretty good? Now, this program is built for duplication. Whether you're new or experienced, the system does the heavy lifting so you can focus on making money fast, and it all starts with these core level. So Affiliate Mentor Spark only costs a one-time $25. It pays $50 per sign-up and $25 when your team cycles. And it might take you a day, it might take you hours, it might take you weeks or months. It depends on your hard work, but we will help you as much as possible, and we will help you build your team in whatever you're building, okay? With our amazing training and bonuses, okay? Now the core level is $50 a month, pays $20 per referral. And how that works is, let me get a calculator right here. So let's say you have 10 people times $20 times 10, okay, after 1 month. That would be mean you'll make $200 residually. And then so after your $50 a month, you make $150. But let's say you don't want, or let's say you had even 50 people, right? 220 times 50 after a year. You're making $1,000 residual with this program. But let's say you don't want to pay the $50, right? So that would be core annual. And how core annual works is you pay the $50 for core. When you want to upgrade and you're ready to upgrade, is $3.99. So 50 plus $3.99 will get you core annual. Now core annual is not 1 year, it's 2 years. So that's 24 payments times 50. Now we just paid $4.49, so let's say what we're saving, okay? So 24 times $50, $1,200 minus, I think we said $4.49, right? We're saving $751 overall. And let's even break it down to 24 payments. So what we'll see is we're saving each month $31 a month. Okay? $31.29 savings. That's the real Save Club right there. And that would take like 62 pass-ups in Save Club. But this isn't about Save Club, so that's the core level. $20 referral. And we have residual bills, right? So you want to make residual income. You pay rent every month, you pay electricity, you pay gas, you probably pay your car payment. You might have a babysitter or take your kid to daycare. You have residual bills, you need residual income, okay? The VIP level, so I've talked core and I've talked core annual. Core annual, again, is $3.99 and you make $200, okay? Every time somebody gets a core annual membership, you get $200, and you'd also make the $20 from residually. Now that's $220, right? That's pretty cool, right? So what would you do with $220? This is what I would do with $220. See how I bought this? Thanks from Traffic Authority, and Affiliate Mentor is the front end to Traffic Authority, which is top tier 1 traffic clicks from a company that's been around for about 10 years, bringing premium traffic. So thanks for your recent basic payment. To access your product, please log in with the link. Here's the login. Your message will serve as your receipt. Basic $220. Okay, $220. Is that interesting? Isn't that what I make from if you go core and core annual? $220. So I would take that and I'd buy a free package with my commissions from you, and I would share them in my rotator. Okay, if you go all in, which is a little bit more, you'd also have to be VIP, and the $25 for Spark. But you're getting paid on multiple levels. If you get Spark, you get $25 $50 every time somebody cycles. With the core, you're making $20 residually. With the core annual, you make $200, and with the VIP club, which I haven't gone over yet, it's the same look as the core Spark. See, instead of you get 6 spots, and instead of making 50 every time you get 6 people, you make 500. Okay, and then when one of your teammates goes all the way through their 6 with help, you make a 50% check match of $250. So The team duplication structure, the reason our team ranks at the top of YouTube and gets insane results isn't just the system. It's our bonuses. We have unique bonuses that are the best bonuses. We have the best team. We have the best training, okay? We're not just throwing you into the deep end, okay? We're giving you the exact blueprint to rank on YouTube. Get leads and duplicate effortlessly. And the best part, this training comes free at any level you start with, okay? So I'm going to check out Affiliate Meta Review. As you can see, I am not signed in. This is incognito mode. So you do the same search, you should get the same exact result. Again, Affiliate Meta Review, I'm only going to name the teammates on our team. Michael De La Cruz, our team. Okay, our training. There's 2 shorts. You got Brian and you got her. That's another member of ours. We got Postcard Lifestyle. That's a member of our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Postcard Lifestyle. There's Make Money Online with JJ. There's my video from 1 day ago. Here's Mr. Orange Dream, another member of our team. Okay, Postcard Lifestyle. Do you see the Make Money Online with JJ? Do you see what I'm talking about? We have our team. There's another one for me. There's another one for Postcard Lifestyle. There's another one for Postcard Lifestyle. Charles Dukes, another one from our team. We are dominating the search engine. But I'm going to show you another search live. Okay? As you can see, I'm not signed in. Was that the same one? Review? No, it wasn't. Let me see. Maybe it was. Let me see if he's the same person. It's right, number 1. Affiliate Meta Review. Bear with me, sorry. I'll be right back. Yep, okay. So I'm now going to check Affiliate Meta Review 2025, okay? That is different, okay. So in this one, Michael De La Cruz is number 2. Postcard Lifestyle is number 3. Then you have Fanchone and Michael, okay? Then you have me, another one by me. This is definitely different results. Another one by me, another one by Mr. Orange Dream, Postcard Lifestyle, Business and Marketing with Fanchone. That one earlier that we saw on the last search, and she was also ranked in the for shorts. Here's another one, Brian Zittleman, Charles S. and Dukes. There's another one by Make Money Online JJ, another one by Make Money Online JJ, and Mr. Orange Dream is right in the middle. And there's another one, Charles S. Dukes and Postcard Lifestyle. See what I'm saying? You can get these exact results. You can reach real YouTube rankings. Team members consistently dominate in the search. Exclusive bonus, personalized coaching, traffic strategies, and lead generation hacks. The duplication model, your members and their members will get this too, creating massive momentum. Give a man you fish, you feed him for the day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. Anybody can rank with this system right here. And these are the exact steps, okay? You get this exact same thing. And the first step, once I hook you with the site, the access via email, is to schedule a coaching call with our team leader, and he'll get you set up with Affiliate Meta. Our bonuses are the best bonuses. Now, you get that team training site no matter what level you're on, okay? But if you go all in, you will get put in our traffic rotator. Okay, the sooner you get started, the less links in the rotator, which means more sales, leads, and signups for you. You also get Team Sully's training site and access to John Sully. The amazing part about this is our team leaders will coach you and your team's team, and so on. Okay? That creates massive duplication. This is why we have the best team, the best bonuses, the best training, and why the Affiliate Meta Affiliate Program is your ticket to financial freedom. If you want it, here's how to get started. Text me at 775-460-7938 right now. Click the first link in the description. Get started today. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what part of the video you found the most valuable. Affiliate Mentor affiliate program is the real deal. And if you've been searching for a way to break free from the 9 to 5, or you've been struggling to build a team, this is your opportunity. Don't miss out on the bonuses. Text me now and hit that first link and let's get to work. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.